I don't want to comment on that. Right now, I have left all political parties and all the positions, including a member of Rajya Sabha, and I'm doing writing work. I finished one book. I'm finishing the second book. And today I'm here because I have been growing paddy for the last 5-6 years, and always used to be a loss. So I came and met the agriculture minister because the salt water is coming and destroying the paddy fields. Whether he has got any scheme to help the farmers. Right now I don't belong to any party, and I have left all the positions. I am doing what I like the best and what I enjoy the best is to go and do the writing, because I had done at least 7 policies: employment policy, education policy, industrial policy, biotechnology policy, IT policy. Not only first in Goa, it was first in India. Now I'm writing more than that, because if you want to do something good, you have to give the benefit of your experience, good or bad, and give also something to the posterity so that they will remember. Elections are way behind. Way ahead and forward.
Will you contest in coming years?
I did contest last 2 elections.